going to keep this super toasty in the winter, and also the wood on the interior cools it down in the summer, so that's a fantastic feature about the Nordic wood that we use. You build your own independence